Clients came with a brief that they want a residential architecture for their family which expresses their lifestyle and which is also inclusive of nature. The challenge for us was that how to bring the complete multi-generational family together in a residence. Requirement was to put a 5-bedroom house spread across 6,000 square feet of land.
A very special requirement was a drawing room which should be very different and it should stand out from the complete house. So we proposed an idea of a room surrounded by water on all the sides, like a leaf floating on water.
Its leaf shape gave the house a strong character in itself. It's primarily designed to borrow the natural north light, wherein you do not use the electrical lights during the daytime. The entire opening patterns, introduction of skylights, kind of stack ventilation went up so magically well that even clients are very happy about it. See, if you see the form, which has very strong characteristics of the design, in a kind of fashion which has big overhangs, the cantilevers, as well as the floating bodies on the ground. It demanded a kind of medium which can generate this kind of architecture in its reality, which you can see in the drawings and models as well. We went for steel, concrete, natural stone-cladded walls, interesting forms and shapes in windows and skylights, which relate nature with the residence. You can see the nature in unbuilt spaces as well as even the built spaces are flaunting nature through carpets, paintings, artifacts, ceiling designs, and somehow the interiors replicate the architecture, what you envisage.
Basically, we try to see that architecture plays a role of a device which connects man with nature, finding inspiration in forms, spaces, relations, tangible and intangible, and celebrating nature in every nuance.